Writesonic AI Article Writer 5 Review. Struggling to write engaging articles? Introducing Writesonic AI Article Writer 5 Review. So once you get to your Writesonic dashboard, you will be able to find a bunch of different options here. Our new AI Writer 5.0. Click on it. This is the most advanced AI article and blog writer in the market, powered by GPT-4 32K. This brings hyper-personalization, factual mystery, SEO optimization, competitor analysis to the table. First step, simply finding a topic and getting your links. The second step, adding extra details, selecting a tone of voice, and throwing in some keywords. Generate your content in minutes. We need to add our topic in our reference articles. How to lose weight in 10 steps. Search articles. We have our reference articles provided. We got up to 10 articles and we can add the links here. The second thing, just select the articles you want to go for. I can go with successful weight loss 10 tips. Okay, this looks good. I can click on this one. Even read the articles by clicking on the link. I'm gonna select up to 5. With AI Article Writer 5.0, you are saving a lot of time. You don't even need to do the search yourself. All you have to do is just select the articles from here and add the link. Click next. If you want to add additional reference, you can actually upload files from your computer. The file size maximum 25 MB. Just gonna go with the article links. Click on next. Second step, simply selecting tone. We're gonna throw some keywords here. This is the simplest thing. Additional information. Now this is where I can add some information. I'm gonna simply type it. This is just like giving a prompt to an AI. Add our keywords. Keywords play an important role. Select brand voice. If you want to add any of the file, you can even add some text here. You can upload a file. Writesonic can synthesize your unique tone from your blog post, text, or documents. Choose from one of these options to incorporate your brand material into Writesonic. If you have a specific brand tone, you will simply add it. This is a new, very advanced option given in an AI. Then we have the quality. Then we can go with, now you can see GPT 3.5 or GPT-4. Now it totally depends on you which one you want to go for. So I'll just simply go with the premium one here, and then we have the language, which is English. All we need to do is just hit generate. Writesonic AI will generate the article for me in just 2 steps within seconds. You can see my AI Article Writer 5.0 is writing, and it's actually following the rules that I gave it, commands that I actually input. I wanted a listing article ready. You can see the article has 10 steps. We even got a reference picture here. This one actually looks really good. You can see step by step, understands the importance of healthy diet. Then we got the eliminate, practice, prioritize. This is a very good result that I got with an AI. The article is ready. Now all you need to do is just hit this button at the top and share your document, or you can save it as a PDF file and more to use your article or blog that you generated with Writesonic AI Article Writer 5.0. And if you got value from this video, hit that like button and consider subscribing to never miss out on our latest content. Next up, check out our video on the top 10 writing tools every writer should have.